Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Norton 360 on Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option right here, just go ahead over to Start menu, right click on it and click on Installed Apps. And then in here, just go ahead and find Norton, okay? And just click on the three dots, hit on Uninstall. Now, what if it doesn't let you uninstall, okay? So what you're going to do is just go ahead over to your favorite browser, okay? Now go ahead and find Norton, okay, remove and reinstall tool. Hit on enter, just like so, and just click on download and run the Norton remove and reinstall tool from Norton itself. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you have here the download link. Okay, just click on it, click on uninstall the Norton product, download the Norton 360 remover tool. There you go. Save it wherever you want. It could be in your desktop. Save. Wait for download process to finish. Now let's go ahead and open up the remover. Double click on it. There you go. Remove only. Okay. Click on remove. Uninstall. Okay. It says here removing files. It says here an installation finished. And you're good to go. That is it. That is how you install Norton 360 on Windows 11. You can now go ahead and delete this one. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.